DJI is once again preparing to enter new territory with an exciting upcoming product, the DJI OSMO Nano. This brand-new compact camera has recently been revealed through official regulatory filings with the Federal Communications Commission (FCC), offering the first glimpse into what could be one of DJI's most innovative products to date. According to insights from Jasper Ellens, a DJI specialist who often reports accurate leaks and developments on Drone XL, the OSMO Nano represents a significant step forward for DJI, especially in the increasingly competitive action camera market. Unlike their previous handheld gimbals or traditional drone cameras, the OSMO Nano brings something fresh and unique to the table. An ultra-portable, wearable action camera designed for creators, athletes, drone enthusiasts, and anyone looking to document their adventures from a first-person perspective. The official FCC documentation, dated February 20, 2025, identifies the OSMO Nano under the model number ON001 for the main camera unit, and OD001 for a separate display component. These two model codes hint at a modular design where the display and the camera might function independently or together, depending on user needs. This modular approach could allow users to attach the small camera unit to their clothing or gear, while keeping the display accessible for real-time viewing and control. The presence of both components in the FCC filing confirms that DJI is not merely repackaging an existing product. It's introducing something entirely new. The filings also suggest that the device is in the final stages of receiving regulatory approval, which typically means a public release is just around the corner. Experts predict the OSMO Nano could hit the market as early as August 2025, or at the latest, by the end of the year. Unlike DJI's previous cameras in the OSMO series, the OSMO Nano is described as part of a category known as uni devices and low-power transmitters using spread spectrum techniques. In simple terms, this means the device is designed to use wireless technology efficiently, likely enabling it to connect quickly with smartphones, remote controls, or other DJI gear while using minimal power. This is particularly useful for a wearable camera, as users want reliable connectivity without having to worry about draining the battery too quickly. Efficient power usage paired with wireless features could also make the OSMO Nano suitable for live streaming or quickly transferring footage on the go, essential features for modern content creators who often share their work in real time. What makes the OSMO Nano stand out the most, however, is its magnetic mounting system. This feature, similar to what we've seen in DJI's Mic series, allows users to snap the camera onto their shirt, helmet, or backpack instantly, without the need for complicated straps or bulky mounts. For those engaged in action sports like cycling, running, hiking, or even skateboarding, this means the camera can stay securely in place, no matter how intense the activity. And since it's so lightweight, as implied by the Nano name, the user won't feel weighed down. DJI appears to be targeting not just the traditional camera user, but those looking for an easy, hands-free way to record high-quality footage without fuss. It's also a smart move for drone pilots, who often need compact and lightweight accessories to avoid affecting the drone's balance and flight time. Even though specific specs such as video resolution, frame rate, stabilization features, or sensor size have not yet been officially revealed, the mere presence of a dedicated display unit points toward a more versatile and possibly more user-friendly experience. A separate screen could allow for better real-time control over what the camera is seeing, as well as easier playback and adjustments during use. Many existing action cameras rely solely on built-in touchscreens, which are sometimes too small or awkward to use in rugged environments. DJI seems to be aiming for something more practical and adaptable. From a market perspective, the DJI OSMO Nano marks a calculated and strategic move by the company. The action camera space is already filled with big players like GoPro, known for its durable Hero lineup, and Insta360, which focuses on immersive 360-degree cameras. DJI is not trying to beat them at their own game. Instead, it is creating a new category, an ultra-portable wearable camera that fits naturally within DJI's growing ecosystem of gear. Instead of emphasizing raw specs or niche features, DJI appears to be betting on convenience, usability, and seamless integration. The OSMO Nano's wearable design, magnetic mounting system, and compact build are all clues that DJI is trying to capture a different kind of user. Someone who wants the freedom to record from anywhere, without bulky gear or complex setups. Jasper Ellens also pointed out that the OSMO Nano is not being released in isolation. It's part of a larger wave of products coming from DJI, including the upcoming DJI Mic 3 and the Osmo 360. This suggests that DJI is working hard to build a full creative ecosystem, where all devices, from cameras to microphones to drones, work together smoothly. For example, a vlogger could use the OSMO Nano as a point-of-view camera, capture aerial shots with a DJI drone, and record audio using the DJI Mic 3. If DJI manages to offer a unified platform where all these components sync effortlessly, it could offer a major advantage over other brands, which often rely on third-party accessories or separate apps. For drone users in particular, the OSMO Nano could be a game-changer. Many drone pilots look for ultralight cameras that don't interfere with flight dynamics, and the Nano's small size and weight might make it the perfect add-on for FPV drones or small consumer drones. It could open up new creative angles, such as combining footage from the drone's main camera with first-person views from the OSMO Nano mounted on the pilot or controller. While the camera is not designed for 360-degree recording, which may limit its appeal to some creators, its straightforward action camera capabilities and ease of use make it ideal for capturing moments in fast-paced environments. In terms of pricing, DJI seems to be keeping the OSMO Nano in a sweet spot. Early estimates suggest a retail price of $300 to $400, which is right in line with DJI's current lineup of handheld cameras and audio products. This makes the Nano affordable for hobbyists, while still being powerful enough for semi-professional users. The competitive pricing also positions the device to go head-to-head with GoPro's mid-range models and Insta360's compact offerings. Combined with DJI's strong brand reputation and global distribution network, the OSMO Nano is well-placed for commercial success. In conclusion, the DJI OSMO Nano looks like a thoughtfully designed product that responds to the evolving needs of modern creators. Rather than chasing specs or trying to outmatch competitors in raw performance, DJI is focusing on user experience, portability, and integration. The result is a camera that could easily become a go-to choice for vloggers, athletes, drone pilots, and everyday users who want to record life as it happens, without having to carry bulky equipment or worry about complex settings. While we still await full specifications and an official launch date, all signs point to the OSMO Nano becoming one of the most exciting compact cameras of 2025. DJI is once again proving that it understands its audience and is ready to deliver tools that combine innovation, practicality, and creative freedom.